Introducing the Oasis, not just any swimming pool, but a freeform fiberglass masterpiece designed for endless summer memories. With its curving edges and a spacious deep end that goes down to 7 feet 11 inches, it's the perfect splash zone for the entire family. What makes the Oasis stand out? Its outside-the-lines personality classifies it as a unique freeform swimming pool. Curving walls that offer unique sitting positions, including a comfy bench seat and gracefully curved entry steps. A design that's crafted for hours of fun, laughter, and play. And the best part? You can customize it. Add water slides for the thrill seekers, a basketball hoop for the sporty ones, a volleyball net for teen fun, or chic outdoor furniture for those relaxing poolside moments. Whatever your summer dream is, the Oasis is ready to make it come true. Ready to make a splash this summer? Contact us to get in touch with one of our dealers. We'd love to give you a free estimate today. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.